Welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to enable Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've been missing out on live audio conversations, or you simply want to stay updated whenever your favorite creators go live, today's walkthrough will make sure you never miss another space again. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up your phone's settings. Every change begins here, and this is where you'll find the controls for your apps. Once inside, scroll through your list of installed apps until you spot the X app. Go ahead and tap on it to open the settings dedicated to that application. Inside the app settings, you'll see several options, but what we're focusing on today is notifications. Tap on notifications to move one step closer to getting everything set the way you want. If notifications are already enabled for the app in general, that's a great start. But for Spaces specifically, we need to go a little deeper. Next, find and select notification categories. This section is key because it breaks down the types of alerts you can receive from the X app. From here, you'll see different toggles for different types of notifications the app provides. Look carefully and locate the one labeled Spaces. Once you find it, simply toggle it on. This single step unlocks the ability for the X app to send you alerts whenever a space is starting, or when someone you follow begins hosting a live conversation. By turning this on, you'll always be in the loop without having to constantly check the app. That's it. You've now successfully enabled Spaces notifications. It only takes a few quick steps, but it ensures you never miss exciting discussions or opportunities to join meaningful live conversations on X. So, if staying updated is important to you, these settings are a must-have. Go through the process once, and you're good to go moving forward. Whenever something new is happening in Spaces, you'll be among the first to know. And that wraps it up. Now you're ready to enjoy every live conversation that comes your way on X.